Amalunga esachawu ewater ubomvu maya nokuthengiswa kwezinkampani zikahulumeni zithengiselwa izinkampani ezizimele nangokudilizwa kwabasebenzi kwimboni zokuthutha yonkana.
Since from 2018, this department is retrenching workers, massively so. This department is embarking on a privatization of a state-owned entities without securing security of the employees. That is why we are here today to raise a concern, to tell the departments to say they must stop to privatize the state-owned entities and they must work towards creating job employment other than sharing the jobs.
Badinwe bathelwa ngamanzi ngenkathi bezwa ukuthi ungqongqoshe wezokuthutha ufikile Mbalula akekho ukuzokwamukela uhlu lwabo lwezikhalazo.
We want to raise our disappointment with regard to unavailability of Minister of Transport, despite the fact that we have sent him a letter inviting him to come and take our memorandum.
Labasebenzi balile ukunikeza uhlu lwezikhalazo ungqongqoshe wezabasebenzi uThula Sincisi ogcine ngokubukela ngenkathi bekhwela bedilika kuhulumeni kaKhongolose bemhlaba bethi usebashiye Dengwane.
Our government, which is led by the ANC, we've always been committed to a dialogue. We've always been committed to looking into the options which are raised by the different people. And once they put those issues on the table, I think there will be an engagement. So let's allow for an engagement and do not preempt the outcomes of those discussions with them.
Babese beyahamba kodwa befunga begomela ukuthi bazobuye babuye emasontweni amathathu ezayo belethe izikhalo zabo kufikile Mbalula uqobo lwakhe. Mbongeni Muthwa, SABC eGoli.